GCE Mathematics May 2017 C4. Question number 1. The curve C has a parametric equations x is equal to 3t minus 4 and y is equal to 5 minus 6 over t, where t is a positive number. Find dy over dx. So we have to find dy over dx. So dy over dx is dy over dt and dx over dt, because these are parametric equations. Y, the differential of 5 is 0, minus 6, this is t to the power minus 1, so minus 1 t to the power minus 2, and the differential of 3t minus 4 with respect to t is just 3. So this is equal to, this is minus minus plus, 3 cancel by this 2, and this will be t to the power minus t square. So dy over dx is, that is the answer of part A. Dy over dx is 2 over t square. Part B. The point C lie on the curve. Suppose, let's say this is the curve and this is point P. Find the equation of tangent at P for the curve C. So for the equation of tangent, we know the equation is y minus y1 is equal to dy over dx at that point x minus x1. So first we, from this, let's find dy over dx at P. So it will be at P t is equal to half. So dy over dx will be dy over dx 2 over half square. So that is 8. This is the first thing we have got. Second, what is the value of x? We know x is 3 and t is half minus 4. So that is 3 times 2 is, this is 7 over 2 minus 4. So that is minus 5 over 2. And y will be 5 minus 6 over t. T is half. So that is 5 minus 12. That is negative 7. So the equation of tangent at P will be y minus y1 is equal to dy over dx at t at P 8, x minus x1 is 5 over 2. We have to write in the form of y is equal to px plus q. So y is equal to 8x plus this multiplied with this. 4 times 5 is 20 minus 7 is minus 13. So equation of tangent at P is, where P is equal to 8 and Q is equal to minus 13. That is the part B. Now part C. Show that the Cartesian equation for C can be written in this form. So let's take the value of x is equal to, we have x is equal to 3t minus 4. So t will be x minus 4 or x plus 4 over 3, and y is equal to 5 minus 6 over t. So y is equal to 5 minus 6 over t is x plus 4 over 3. Now this multiply 5x plus 20 minus 18 over x plus 4. So that will be equal to 5x plus 2 over x plus 4, where x is greater than minus 4. So here a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. Question number 2. Fx is equal to 2 plus kx to the power minus 3, where the modulus of ks is less than 2. You have to expand it and write in the ascending power of x up to 3 terms. So 2 plus kx to the power minus 3. Let's take 2 common. So 1 plus kx over 2 is to the power minus 3. Now we do its expansion. 2 is to the power minus 3 is 1 over 8. This is 1 plus minus 3 over factorial 1 is 1 multiply kx over 2 plus minus 3 minus 1 over factorial 2, that is 2 multiply 1 multiply k square x square over 2 square is 4, plus we have to write only up to x square. So if we simplify it, this is 1 over 8 minus 3k over 16x plus, this is minus minus is plus, this will cancel, 3 over 3 k square over 16 x square plus. Now we compare with this, a plus bx plus 243 over 16 x square plus. Now we compare this. What we are getting is a is equal to 1 over 8. Now b is equal to 3k over 16. We don't know the value of k, so we compare this one. Second is this is the first part. Second part is 3 k square over 16 is equal to 243 over 16. 16 and 16 cancel, 3 is cancelled by this is 81. So k is equal to root 81. So k is equal to plus 9 and minus 9. But k is a positive constant. K is greater than 0. So k is equal to 9. So the third part is part C. This is B, this is A, and this is C part. Now we compare this. Minus 3k over 16 is equal to B. So minus 3k is 9 over 16 is equal to B. So B will be minus 27 over 16. So value of A is 18, 1 over 8. Value of K is 9. And value of B is 27 over 16 negative. Question number 3. Figure shows a sketch of a part of the curve with equation y is equal to 6 over e to the power x plus 2. Y is equal to 6 over e to the power x plus 2. X is a real number. The finite region R is bounded by x-axis, y-axis, x is equal to 1 and the curve C. This is the table below. We have the value of 0, 0.2. So we put x is equal to 0.2. So y is equal to 6 over e to the power 0.2 plus 2. So that is equal to, if you put it in the calculator, this is the full denominator. So this is going to be 1.862542 641. We have to write up to 5 places of decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 2, so it will remain like this. So this value will be 1.862554. This is the value. This is part A. Now part B is use the trapezium rule to find the area. So the area will be half multiply h is 0.2 minus 0 is 0.2 multiply two plus extreme values. So these are the extreme values. 1.27165 plus 2 multiply the sum of this. You have to add all of this and you have to write the value of this sum. So that is 1.86254 plus 1.71830. This is plus 1.56981, 1.56981 and plus 1.41994. So the area will be, this is 0.1 and this part is going to be 0.1 multiply, this is 16.41283. So that is equal to 1.641, 4 decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 418. This is 16.41283, 4128. So this is 1.6, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2 and this is 8, so this will be added by 3. So the area will be, area of R is 1.6413. Part C. Use the substitution u is equal to e to the power x. U is equal to e to the power x. So u plus 2 is equal to e to the power x plus 2. Du is equal to e to the power x dx. So integral 6 over e to the power x plus 2 dx will be equal to 6. Dx is du over e to the power x, then e to the power x plus 2. So that is equal to integral 6 du over e to the power x is u and u plus 2, and limit a to b. You can also calculate the value of a and b if u is equal to e to the power x and x is equal to the lower limit of x is 0. So u will be e to the power 0, so this is 1. So a is equal to 1. And if x is equal to 1, u is equal to e to the power 1 is equal to e. So b is equal to e. So this equation will become integral 0 to e 6 over u plus 1 du. Hence use the calculus to find the exact area. So that is part D. Now 6 over u plus 2. This is a partial fractions, so that is 6 over u, that is a over u plus b over u plus 2. It means this equation is 6 is equal to a u plus 2 plus b u. If u is equal to 0, 6 is equal to 2a. This is 0, this is 0. So this implies a is equal to 3. And if u is equal to minus 2, so we have 6 is equal to, this is 0, minus 2b. So this implies that b is equal to minus 3. So our equation is a is 3 over u minus 3 over u plus 2. 6 over u plus 2 is this. So if we integrate, and then now because it is a limit, so limit is 1 to e, 1 to e and 1 to e. So this is equal to 3, 1 over u is ln u, 1 to e, minus 3 ln u plus 2, 1 to e. So this is equal to 3 ln e minus 3 ln 1 minus 3 ln e plus 2 minus 3 ln 1 plus 2. So that is 3 ln e minus 3 ln 1 is, ln 1 is 0, so this is 0, minus 3 ln e plus 2 minus 3 ln 1 plus 2 means 3 ln 3. So you can write your answer as 3 ln e minus 3 ln e plus 2 plus 3 ln 3. There are other ways to write the answer, but if you can write this answer, you will get marks, full marks. To further simplify it, this is 3 ln e is 1 plus 3 ln 3 minus 3 ln e plus 2. This is 3 common, 1 plus this I can write as ln 3 over e plus 2. Question number 4, part A. The curve C has equation 4x square minus y cube minus 4xy plus 2 is to the power y is equal to 0. The point P with coordinate minus 2 lie on C. Again, this is P, this is minus 2, 4. Find the exact value of dy over dx. So that is, let's differentiate it. So 4 times 2 is 8x minus 3y square dy over dx minus 4, first function x, differential of second is dy over dx, plus second function, differential of first is 1, plus 2 is to the power y ln 2 is equal to 0. So this is 8x minus 3y square dy over dx minus 4x dy over dx minus 4y plus 2 is to the power y ln 2, this is also dy over dx is equal to 0. So let me write it here. 8x minus 4y is equal to dy over dx 3y square plus 4x minus 2 is to the power y ln 2. So dy over dx is 8x minus 4y divided by 3y square plus 4x minus 2 is to the power y ln 2. So at x is equal to negative 2, we have to find here where x is negative 2. So put x is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to 4. So dy over dx is 8 multiply minus 2 minus 4 multiply 4 divided by 3, y is 4, 2 square plus 4, x is minus 2, minus 2 is to the power y is 4 ln 2. So dy over dx is minus 16 minus 16 divide by 16 times 3 is 48 minus 8 minus 2 is to the power 4 ln 2. So dy over dx is equal to minus 32 over 40 minus 16 ln 2. Part B is the normal to C. So this was this is B, this is C, and say this is the normal. These are the x's. This is 2 and minus 4. This is the dy over dx equation of the dy over dx at point P. It says that and this is y-axis. It says that the normal meet the y-axis at A. So find the coordinate of y coordinate. So if normal meets at this point, so it means x is equal to 0. So what is the equation of this normal? So equation of normal at P, that is y minus y1 is equal to minus dy over dx, that is 40 minus 60 ln 2 over 32 x minus x1 is 2. So y is equal to 32y plus 128 is equal to 40x minus 16x ln 2 minus 32 ln 2. This is the equation of normal. We have to find the y coordinate. So for the y coordinate, x is 0. So put x is equal to 0. So 32y plus 128 is equal to 0 minus 0 minus 32 ln 2. So 32y is equal to minus 128 minus 32 ln 2. So y is equal to minus 128 over 32 and minus 32 over 32 ln 2. So this is minus 13 over 2 and minus ln 2. So this is in the form of P plus Q ln 2. P is minus 13 over 2 and Q is minus 1 ln 2. Question number 5. The finite region as shown shaded in figure 2 is bounded by the x-axis, y-axis, x is equal to ln 4, and the curve e to the power x plus 2e to the power minus x, where x is a positive number. This region x is rotated through 2 pi about x-axis. So it means this one and this one is so this is making a solid of revolution. Use integration to find the exact volume. We know the volume is pi y square dx. So that is, and limits is 0 to ln 4. So volume is equal to pi y is e to the power x plus 2 e to the power minus x square dx, 0 to ln 4. So volume is equal to pi, its square is e to the power 2x plus 4 e to the power minus 2x plus 2 e to the power x and e to the power minus x. So it will be this, 0 to ln 4. Now integration pi e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x over 2 plus 4 e to the power minus 2x over minus 2 plus 2x. This is 0 to ln 4. So pi e to the power 2 ln 4 over 2. This will be cancelled by 2 and this is minus. So minus 2 e to the power minus 2 ln 4, this is 1 only, plus 2 ln 4 minus pi e to the power 0 over 2 minus 2 e to the power 0 over 1 plus 0. So that is pi. Let me take pi again the common. So this is e to the power ln, means this will be 8 over 2 minus e to the power ln 4 square, not 8, that is 16. Over 2, that will be, we can write it 8. Let me simplify it here so that you understand. That is e to the power ln 4 square is 16, e to the power n cancel, so this is 16. 16 over 2 will be 8. Minus 2, now ln e to the power ln 4 is to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 over 16, and 2 is up there, so this is minus 1 over 8 plus 2 ln 4 minus e to the power 0 is 1 over 2 minus 2, so that is pi (8 minus 2 is 6). 6 minus 1 over 8 minus 1 over 2 plus 2 ln 4. So this is pi. This is 48 minus 1 minus 4 over 8 plus 2 ln 4. So this is equal to pi over 8 48 minus 5 is 43 plus 16 ln 4. This is negative, so it will become positive. So this 6 will be 10. This is 8 plus 2, this is 10. This one is 8, so 8 plus 2, 10. That is 80 minus 5, so this is 75. So that is the answer. Question number 5. The finite region S is bounded by x-axis, y-axis, x is equal to ln 4, and the curve y is equal to e to the power x plus 2e to the power minus x. It is rotated through 2 pi radian about x-axis. Use integration to find the exact value of the volume of the solid generated. Give your answer in the simplest form. So this one is rotated. So let's assume this one. So the volume of solid of revolution is pi integral y square dx. So the volume will be pi. Y square is, this is a to b. So this is 0 to ln 4. Y is e to the power x plus 2 e to the power minus x square dx. So v will be 0 to ln 4, and that is x square is e to the power 2x plus 4 e to the power minus x plus 4 dx. So volume is equal to e to the power 2x will be e to the power 2x over 2, 0 to ln 4 plus 4 this is also 2 e to the power minus 2x 0 to ln 4 plus 4x 0 to ln 4. You have to be very careful about the limits and the values. Now this is equal to, this will be, we have pi everywhere, don't forget, this all multiplied by pi, e to the power 2 ln 4 minus e to the power 0 over 2. plus 4 e to the power minus 2 ln 4 minus 4 e to the power 0 plus 4 ln 4 minus 0. So this is equal to pi e to the power ln. So this 2 will come here 4 square. So let me write it, e to the power ln 16 minus 1 over 2 plus 4 e to the power ln 1 over 16 minus 4 plus 4 ln 4. And this all multiplied by pi. So that is equal to pi. Now let me simplify it. E to the power ln 16 is 16 minus 1, 15. So 15 over 2 plus this is minus 2 also, minus 2 divide minus 2. We would have simplified it here anyway, there's no problem. So this is minus 2 over 16. This is plus 2 plus 4 ln 4. So this is pi this is 1 over 8 plus 2. So this is 75 plus 32. 8 times 4 is 32 ln 4 over 8. So that is the volume of solid of revolution. So this is the answer.